On track 2, you may listen to the story without the page-turning sound.
Goodnight, Goodnight, Construction Site by Sherry Dusky-Rinker and Tom Lichtenheld. Read by Dion Graham. Down in the big construction site, the tough trucks work with all their might to build a building, make a road, to get the job done, load by load. The sun has set, the work is done. It's time for trucks to end their fun. So one by one they'll go to bed, to yawn and rest their sleepy heads, then wake up to another day of rough and tough construction.